Apple's iPhone 12 lineup leak in a full head of event. Apple will release its latest iPhone in just a few hours. But if you can't wait until the official announcement, all 4 new phones have leaked in full, thanks to noted phone leaker Ivan Blass. Blass has posted what appear to be official Apple renders for all 4 new iPhone 12 models, which he claims, in line with the various rumors, will be called the iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, and iPhone 12 Pro Max. Unfortunately, Blass rendered only show off the front and back of the device, making it difficult to get a clear view of the new square off side that are said resemble the iPhone 4 design. But the images do give a good idea of what to expect from the upcoming announcement. The new leaks confirm several details about upcoming phone, including the new blue color coming to the iPhone 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max, replacing the last year's midnight green blue hue, dark gray, white and gold color. Options are also set to retain. The picture also gives the best look yet at the new LiDAR sensor that will be featured on the both devices, the dark circle underneath the right camera. The new leaks also confirm that similar navy shade will be available on both iPhone 12 mini and the iPhone 12, replacing the right purple shade that Apple offered with the iPhone 12. There will also be the usual black, white, green and Project Red option. Expect plenty more than new iPhone 12 lineup later today. Apple's event is set to kick off at 10 a.m. or 1 p.m. ET.